Here we are, as you can see, the male's swimming, the female's on the nest. Look at this pretty swan just looking at me. This is just beautiful. This is the first swim, so I just thought I'd come down here and see what they were doing. I was hoping to get both of them swimming at the same time, but I guess he's just guarding. But anyways, for now, this is part 5 of my videos. Please subscribe to my videos. I will continue to monitor these swans and their babies to come. For now, bye. Have a good look before I let you go. Look at this beauty. You can't get this anywhere. So you gotta remember this. God is good. Beautiful swans. Very good luck. Looks like the female's getting up. Maybe she'll go swimming. We don't know. It would be nice to see them both together, but I'm pretty sure she's staying on her babies. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.